Hola amigos, welcome to a new episode from the Dominican Republic, guys. Today we are going to visit Santo Domingo, which is the main capital, and also it's the first American city on the American continent. So guys, stay tuned for the video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys after the intro. So guys, we are leaving today Punta Cana and our beautiful Airbnb, but we had one issue, and that was the mosquitoes, guys. They were so horrible and annoying, but other than that it was really nice to enjoy here. But wow, we are going to Santo Domingo. We are heading by car. It's around a 2.5 hours ride, so see you guys in Santo Domingo. Alright guys, we just arrived in Santo Domingo, and this, my friends, is the guy who discovered America. That's Christopher Columbus, guys, and this one is the first cathedral in all of America, just behind him, and we are on a mission. We will discover a little bit of Santo Domingo, capital of the Dominican Republic. So the one thing that I already fell in love with are the beautiful, colorful colonial houses here in Santo Domingo. Absolutely worth it to check it out and walk around the city. And actually I have to tell you that I was wondering about the weather, because it's really okay. It's not too hot and it's not too humid. So I also searched up the best time to explore the Dominican Republic is between November and March, so actually pretty nice weather here, and yeah, absolutely enjoying it, soaking in. So guys, I was pretty hungry, that's why I stopped at the empanada store, and you can get some really nice stuffed, yeah, I think it's like dumplings, but it's baked, and it's like a local specialty. So one is with beef, the other one is with chicken, and also I could not miss out on some Presidente, which is the local beer. You should try it here as well, and yeah, let's enjoy it. Guys, what I love about Latin America or the Caribbean is you get always some salsas with your food. So this is garlic and this is some spicy stuff. Amazing, tastes so good. Wow! Wow! The treasure room. So guys, I was walking through the streets and I was watching for a cigar factory, but actually the factory was closed, so he took me on the street. He said like, come, I show you for free, and now I landed into the treasure room, guys, of the Caoba cigars. It's one of the most famous cigars in the Dominican Republic, and look, I could easily take one and nobody would notice it. It's crazy, and it's amazing, nice place. I think I'm gonna go for one for New Year's Eve. Yes. All right. Ah, okay, hier hat man zum Beispiel die verschiedenen Tabakblätter, so sieht das aus. So this is how the tobacco leaves look like. This is the material which is made from the cigars. Okay, nice. Okay. Sí, sí. Muy bien. Hola, señor.
Hola, hola.
So guys, I just went through the fabric of the cigars, of the most famous cigars, and they took me through the back door. It was a kind of crazy situation, but really nice. And right now I'm going to the Faro, which is the tomb of Christopher Columbus, and we're gonna explore it for a short time. After that we're gonna head back, but it's a crazy nice vibe here in Santo Domingo. Really recommend it to come here. Bueno, el cubano, ok.
Mi nombre es Gil Cordero, pero de apodo trabajaba con unos cubanos, me pusieron.
Ah, ok, ok, ok. Tú eres loco cubano, ¿eh?
Loco
Okay.
cubano, los cubanos Miami loco.
Loco coco. No, tú esperas y luego me llevas a mi chica?
Sí.
Okay, muy bien. Alright guys, finally arrived at the tomb of Christopher Columbus, guys. The first man who discovered America, and they made a pretty big tomb for him. That's crazy. And also you can see here the Papa Mobile, which the Pope came with when he was visiting, I assume, Santo Domingo. It's crazy. I mean, Santo Domingo was a little bit touristy. It's not really my vibe, but it was nice to see the cigar factory and everything, and also explore a little bit of the colonial city. But we have a long drive, but that's why I don't know if I should go inside or not. Maybe we should take a look from above. Guys, this is going to be a crazy situation. I need to tell my driver where he has to go. I am on Google Maps, and we are talking Spanish, English, Alemán. Going through the hood of Santo Domingo. This looks kind of interesting. They are repairing some stuff here. He's repairing his motorbike. Yes, the absolute crazy thing is my Google Translator says going right is derecho, and also going straight and forward is derecho. How is that possible? That's why they drive like crazy here. That's absolutely madness. Okay, vamos. Sí. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this short episode from Santo Domingo. If you want to have more tips from the Dominican Republic, check out my ebook. I made a full guide about the Dominican Republic. You will find a lot of tips, Airbnbs and lots of more stuff. See you guys in the next video from Las Terrenas, and you can click here to see the next video. See you guys, because next episode is going to be in Las Terrenas. It's an absolutely amazing place with a lot of nice beaches. So see you guys in the next video.